All right, guys, we're going to review how to tell if something is a proportion. So a proportion is two ratios that simplify to the same thing. Sorry, I thought I had this pulled up. So we're going to look at two proportions and two ratios, sorry, to see if they're a proportion, okay? There's a couple of ways you can do this, okay? So first thing you can do is you can simplify. Oh, that's too thick, sorry. So the first thing you can do is to simplify, or you can check cross products. Okay, either way, they have to be the same. Okay, simplify means to divide by a common number. Cross products means to multiply across. Okay, it doesn't really matter which one you pick, you're going to get the same answer. Okay, so like on this first one, if I wanted to simplify, I would say 1/4 is already simplified, and then I would say, okay, 25 and 80, I know those can both be divided by 5, so then I would say that's 5, and then 80 can also be divided by 5, and that's 16. And then I can't simplify anymore, and I know that 1/4 is not equal to 5/16, so this one is not a proportion. Okay, on this one, 7/10 is already simplified. I could divide these by 5, and I get 7/10. That's a good thing. Okay, the next one, I don't know my 13s very well, but I do know that I can just go ahead and cross multiply, or I see a shortcut. I can get from 20 to 60 by timesing 3 easily, and I also multiply here times 3 to see easily that this is true. Okay, so this is the simplifying or shortcut method. Okay, if you don't like to simplify, because I get it, you're getting to use calculators, that's totally fine. I just want to remind you how to check by doing cross products. So let me do a different color, that way we don't get confused. So cross products just means I am multiplying across. 4 times 25 is 100. 80 times 1 is 80. Since these are not equal, then it is not a proportion. Okay, here 350 times 10, and again, yes, you can use your calculators, but these are pretty easy numbers. Oh, that's a 350, sorry. And then 7 times 5 is 350, so this one is a proportion. And then finally, this one and this one, 39 times 20, and I am using a calculator just so I make sure I get everything right. 39 times 20 is 780. On this side, 13 times 60 is also 780. So this one is a proportion. So student 2 and student 3 are both correct. Okay, so remember, either simplify, which divides by a small number, or cross multiply. Whichever one you pick, your numbers have to equal the same thing when you are done. Okay, that's how you tell if it's a proportion.